Well, I'll tell you, today was, this week was a busy week so far. So today, we did the elder law report in the morning. We also had clients in the morning. I had clients in the afternoon. We scooted up to Cherryville, North Carolina, to Peak Resources Cherryville, which is an extremely nice facility, and gave a kind of a so's your mother, everything together, miscellaneous. So's Your Mother was a pizza in New York. It has everything on it at a place, okay, in Brooklyn, I think. And the So's Your Mother seminar for me has everything on it, right? So we did that seminar and just had a lot of fun. Had a few people there. It was a really small group and just able to get to know them and talk, and then came back and, for the last few days, I've gotten a ton of work done. I've been running hard. Just registering the mental exhaustion versus physical exhaustion. Got back to the gym with CrossFit. That helps too with the energy. So really, really love packing a lot in a day. And today was absolutely packed. So we're having a marketing meeting, which is always fun because I'm the most organized person ever. Is that right? Okay. And we actually have an agenda now for our marketing meeting. Jennifer Harold dropped by, and then we got Larry the Lobster over here. Laura the Lobster. I like to call her. Also Taylor Shelton in our office. Yeah. That's just not true. As long as you call me. Okay.
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You ready? Is Mark ready?
Yeah.
Is he filming?
Okay, there you go, Mark.
We're gonna try. Is it gonna work?
Huh?
Is it gonna work? I don't know if is it gonna work? I hope it works.
It's filming now.
Okay.
Okay, I said him to filming. Okay. Hey, Brad.
Hey Hayden, how are you doing?
Hi, sure, fine.
So when we say we're gonna do Elder Law Report Unplugged, we really are gonna do it unplugged. Cause
of the amount of money flowing in and out of it in the world. Number one is the guys in one of the bars. He was with a guy with a badge. So I just asked him, could we video in the casino? And he says, no, you can take photos with no videos. So we were just talking. He said, why are you here? Why are you videoing? And I told him. And I said, and that's something you need to do. I said, you need to see if you've got all your ducks in a row. I said, you need to make your focus perfect.
So she qualifies for an income stream. I can guarantee if she's in assisted living, she qualifies. How much is your income per month, if you don't mind telling me?
$15.61.
Yeah, okay. So she pays more than that for care, right?
Oh yeah.
Okay, so there you go.
Oh yeah. Her savings are burning up fast.
Yeah, so what you pay out for care, dollar for dollar counts off on your income for VA for that qualification. So she's qualified. So she's qualified for help.